Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. 1 cat sleeps. 2 birds fly. 3 dogs play. 4 cars go. 5 flowers bloom. 6 kids laugh. 7 butterflies dance. 8 monkeys jump. 9 fish swim. 10 balloons pop. Please like and subscribe to my channel.